Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make red bean sauce. First, you'll want to prepare your red beans. Begin by rinsing about 1 cup of dried red beans under cool running water, ensuring they are clean. Then, place them in a bowl and cover them with several inches of water. Let them soak for at least 8 hours, or ideally, overnight. This crucial step helps soften the beans and dramatically shortens their cooking time later on. Once your beans are nicely soaked, it's time to cook them. Drain the soaking water and place the beans into a saucepan. Add about 3 to 4 cups of fresh water, ensuring the beans are covered by at least 2 inches. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium. Let them simmer for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until they are incredibly soft and easily mashable. Now for the fun part, mashing and sweetening. Drain your soft beans, but save a little of the cooking liquid. You might need it later. Mash the beans with a potato masher for a chunky texture, or blend them in a food processor for a smooth paste. Next, transfer the mashed beans to a non-stick pan, add about 1 cup of sugar and a tiny pinch of salt, then cook over low heat, stirring constantly. Continue cooking and stirring your red bean paste until it thickens significantly and easily pulls away from the sides of the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. For a beautiful glossy finish and smoother texture, stir in 2 tablespoons of oil or butter. Once cooled, transfer your delicious homemade red bean paste to an airtight container. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, or you can freeze it for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.